There is a reason why the tiger moves in silence. It does not roar until the neck is already broken. Look at the modern man. He is addicted to noise. He announces his next move before he has even taken a step. I am going to start a business. I am going to change my life. You fool. The moment you spoke those words, you lost the war. You gave the enemy your map. You handed them the keys to your destruction. Miyamoto Musashi knew the truth. A sword drawn too early is easily parried. Today, we learn the art of the hidden sword. Why do you feel the need to talk? It is biology. When you tell someone your plan, your brain releases dopamine. You feel the reward of a victory you have not earned. You trick your mind into thinking the work is already done. And so, you lose the hunger. You lose the edge. Energy is like water. If you poke holes in the bucket, it leaks out. Every word you speak releases pressure. You need that pressure. That pressure is the fuel that drives the engine. Without it, you are just a drifting ghost. Validation is a drug for the weak. You tell your friends because you want them to believe in you. But listen closely. Most of them are waiting for you to fail. Your ambition shines a light on their laziness. It makes them uncomfortable, so they cast doubt. Are you sure? That sounds risky. Silence protects your dream from their poison. Miyamoto Musashi fought 60 duels. He won them all. He never once told his opponent where he would strike. If he had, he would be dead. Grandmaster strategy is based on deception, on the void. When you are silent, people cannot define you. And when they cannot define you, they cannot destroy you. You become a glitch in the matrix, a ghost. Let them think you are lazy. Let them think you are losing. The seed grows in the dark dirt. It does not grow in the sunlight. If you dig it up to show everyone, you kill the root. Let them gossip in the light, while you sharpen your blade in the dark. Work in the shadows. Build in the shadows. Swallow your pride. Swallow the urge to brag. Lock your goal in the vault of your chest. Let the pressure build until it becomes unbearable. Use that fire to work. And one day, when you are ready, you will emerge. You will not need to explain your success. It will be undeniable. Let your results be the only noise you make. Do not speak. Strike. Walk the path of the Ronin. Join the ranks of the silent. Subscribe to Musashi the Ronin. We move in the dark.